The B-1 Lancer is a supersonic, variable sweep-wing bomber used by the U.S. Air Force. Its nickname is Bone, short for B-1. It's one of 3 strategic bombers currently in the U.S. arsenal. The B-1 also shares duties with the B-2 Spirit and the B-52 Stratofortress. The B-1 can carry up to 75,000 pounds of ordnance. That's equivalent to the weight of about 6 school buses. The B-1 was conceived in the 1960s as a multi-role bomber. It was supposed to combine the speed of the B-58 with the B-52's range. The initial design, the B-1A, could reach Mach 2.2. That's more than twice the speed of sound. The B-1A program was cancelled in 1977 due to high costs. Cruise missiles offered a similar capability for less money. The program was revived in 1981 with a modified design. This new version was designated the B-1B. The B-1B had a reduced top speed of Mach 1.25. However, it had improved electronics and a stronger airframe. The B-1B entered service in 1986 as a nuclear bomber. All 100 aircraft were delivered by 1988. The B-1B's nuclear mission ended in 1994 with the START I Treaty. It was then converted for conventional bombing roles. The B-1B saw combat in Iraq in 1998 and Yugoslavia in 1999. It has since supported operations in Afghanistan, Iraq, Libya, and Syria. As of 2025, the Air Force operates 45 B-1B bombers. The B-21 Raider will eventually replace the B-1B starting after 2025.